What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Small Feet Big Heat. Now, I don't usually double upload, but today this package was dropped off about a half hour ago and I just want to open up these kicks. I don't want to wait until tomorrow. This shoe has been so talked about on YouTube for the past couple of months that I just want to open it, see it in hand for myself, and get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. So we are going to do a double upload day today because I am going to unbox these right now. So UPS dropped these off about a half hour ago, and I'm sure you guys can already guess what they are if it's not already in the title. I'm surprised to see Nike is still doing this whole just do it tape after so many people have complained about it, but hey, they probably don't care. So right on top is my receipt from Nike.com, and I don't think the receipts actually tell you how much you paid anymore. Nope, it does not, but from what I remember, I believe these came out to be like $140 or something like that. Don't need that. And then you have it, as you can see, it is the Air Jordan 1 box. And if you haven't guessed already what these sneakers are, have a look at that color code right there. Black, starfish, and pale vanilla. Let's have a look at these guys because it has been talked about for months and I really just can't wait to get them in hand for myself. Take a look at that. These look crazy in person. Like, wow. Okay, so I'm already seeing like some glue stains or something like that. Can you guys see that? There's already some glue stains, some signs of maybe some bad execution. Let's see. Yeah, so these are definitely glossy. Like, the pictures are not lying. All the pictures in the videos do not do this justice. This is a glossy shoe. There was some controversy about the bag, so there you go. Have a look at the bag. Mine does not have a Jumpman on it, but before the haters go call it fake, these are directly from the sneakers app, directly from Nike. Here's a better look at that glue that I was talking about when I first took it out of the box. There's like a little bit of glue here. I'm sure if I just rub it down with like some Jason marks or some crepe, it'll come right off. But that's interesting because that's very, very noticeable. I don't see anything else on the rest of the shoe. And nothing on the right side as well. First impressions, yes, they are glossy, but it's also just a very, very nice shoe. I feel like it's very on brand for Halloween. Like, that glossiness and over the top look definitely works for the holidays. I know this wasn't meant to be a holiday shoe or a Halloween shoe, but that's the vibe that it gives me. Definitely like Halloween, hayride type of vibes, fall vibes. I really like that pale vanilla sole. The color is just really nice in my opinion. I like that they didn't just go with a sail colored sole. Like, this is much darker and much denser than just a regular sail color. Underneath that glossy effect, it is a very, very crinkled leather on the toe box, on the sides. So even if you crease these, you know, it's really not gonna affect the shoe that much. And maybe that's, you know, a plus for the shoe. You can kind of beat it up and it won't really look like it's wearing down on the shoe because of how much crinkling and like that wrinkling effect that it already has. It definitely doesn't look like tumbled leather. It's just crinkled, like as if you crinkled paper or something like that. This doesn't look like tumbled leather. Having these in hand, looking at them myself, I will say that these are going to stay with me. These are going to be added to the arsenal for the toe, whatever you want to say. These are mine. I'm not going to resell these. I'm definitely not going to return them. I mean, if you decide to return your pair, free returns on Nike if you regret buying them. But I don't. I like it. Expect the on foot video for sure on these. I am going to cut to some b-roll now so that you guys can see them all laced up. But make sure that if you enjoyed today's video that you like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will see you guys in the next one.